If you ever felt frustrated while trying to learn how to earn money online, then I can relate to you perfectly. Just like you, I struggled with earning money online until I found the secret. Let me ask you, do you want to achieve the life you deserve? Are you ready to earn money wherever you are? Wouldn't it be awesome if you could start your successful online business? What if you could build converting online sales funnels in no time? My name is Christian Rauchenwald, and those are questions I used to ask myself as well. Just imagine if you had that ability to earn money wherever you are. What would you do? How would that instantly change your life and business for the better? Unfortunately, earning money online isn't as easy as inserting a socket into our brains to know how. You would have to spend many hours researching all the important aspects online. Even if you avoided all the common mistakes, it's going to take you years to master everything. While you might try to learn everything on your own to save money, you can quickly get bogged down by the mistakes you will make on the way. Talk about information overload. To learn more about the secret that finally worked for me and thousands of others, don't hesitate and click on the button now. You're literally just one click away.